A warm welcome everybody, once again here from my little basement-based diecast studio in Bavaria, in Germany. Today's topic, Greenlight Kings of Crunch. I got me another two monster trucks. First one is this one here, the 1986 Chevrolet S-10 Push and Stomp. Then I got me this one here, the 1979 Ford F-250 Texas Armadillo. And as kind of a bonus, this one here, which is obviously not a monster truck, but I want to open it up. This is flying around in my basement for a while. The 1976 Pontiac Grand LeMans Safari from the Estate Wagon series. So, yeah, I do really like these monster trucks from Greenlight because I think you get a lot of diecast for your money. So I already got this one here that is rolling right in to the camera picture. This is the 1972 Chevrolet K10 and this really cool Boss AM/PM deco. And then I got also this one here, oh no crash, the 1984 Chevrolet C20, both really cool rollers, a lot of diecast for your money. These things are really heavy, metal on metal, and really big rubber tires, as you can see. Really cool cars. They are sitting on my desk here in the home office. Sometimes I'm playing around with them. Really, really cool cars. Yeah, as I said, I think you get a lot of diecast for your money. I think these two were 7 or 8 euros each, so I think this is a kind of a fair price. And these two here I also bought on sale, and they cost 6 euros or 6 euros 50, so I think this is a kind of a fair price. So let's put in these two aside, and let's start with this one here in the middle. I already cut the packages open so that you don't have to listen to the annoying sound with the scissors going along on the plastic. The 1979 Ford F-250 Texas Armadillo. Yeah, packaging as always, Greenlight. A lot of plastic. This, sorry, is what it looks on the back side. The whole series, reads the pictures if you like to read that. So now let's get this thing out of the packaging. So as you can see, this one is from the Kings of Crunch series 8. Yeah, as you might know, or as you might not know, if this is the first video you are watching from my channel, with Greenlight sometimes you have quality issues, and this one here is a little, I would say, bent here in the middle. The expression for that is, I think, banana. It's not really bad, but as you can see, there's a small gap in here. Yeah, but no major issue, I would say. So normally you don't have any opening parts on these monster trucks. So this thing here is also really heavy. Cool front. I think these are also, it's hard to see, lensed headlights? It's hard to see. But it does look very solid and it feels very solid, and as you can see here on the bumper it has some hooks. A real cool deco in this, what is this? Dark metallic green and white. This is a chrome stripe going along the side. So as far as I can see, this one has no quality issues besides this small gap here. Does look really cool. Painted taillights. And I think it's hard to see, but there's a cast-in Ford lettering on the tailgate. Chrome bumper. Yeah, this roll bar with these auxiliary lights. This also look very cool. Let's take a look at the base and the number. Here we get some glue. I think it's hard to see on the camera, but on the base I think it doesn't matter. Pretty high numbers, 7,554, I think. Oh, as I'm seeing, I think this one has a plastic base, I think. Yes, looks like plastic. Anyways, this thing does feel very heavy and very solid like the other two, I think. Let's take a look. This one has a metal base. It's painted black. And this one here, I think this one has also a plastic base. Let's see if the Texas Armadillo is a roller. Oh yeah. Make a little room. Yep, it rolls. So let's go on with the black one, the 1986 Chevrolet S-10 Push and Stomp. This packaging is also cut open. So this look also really cool, and as you can see, I think this is the only one of those three that has some printing on the tires. Firestone flotation 23 degrees. Okay. Got a Chevrolet printing here on the tailgate, painted taillights, chrome bumper, really big chrome bumper, push and stomp deco here on the side. Some cool deco on the hood. Painted headlights. And this one, I think, has metal base. Looks like metal, painted black. Let's take a look at the number. Oh, very high number. This is 10,032. Okay. Let's see if this one is a roller. Oh, this rolls pretty good. Yeah, really cool. I really like these monster trucks. So Let's finish this up with the 1976 Pontiac Grand LeMans Safari. Let's take a look at the back, at the other cars. As you can see, there is one of them is the 1972 Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser. And if you take a look here at the background, this one I also got. It's this one here. Kind of, in my opinion, a quirky car, but it does look really cool with this roof rack, opening tailgate, a trailer hitch. Got a little quality issue here on this back window. As you can see, these chrome lines do look a little bit weird. Anyways, metal body, metal base, rubber tires, a really cool casting. So let's take this one here out of the packaging. First thing you might notice, there's a little gap here on the tailgate. I hope it does close properly, but we'll see. So also a metal body, metal base. And let's take a look at the number, a cool number, 777. Don't know if that's a lucky number in China. So this one has got a really cool paint job. Don't know how you call it. This is what you call this golden. Anyways, does look very good. We got this, let's say gold color on the top, and we got a white stripe, and yeah, on the bottom kind of a wood pattern. That's what these estate wagons looked back in these days in America. And of course, we got an opening tailgate. Chrome bumper, painted taillights, cream interior. So let's see if this does close properly. Not really. Let's say a minor quality issue, not too bad. Now let's take a look at the tires. We got some white wall tires, and they are often a problem if you buy Greenlight cars. On this side they do look quite okay. They're not perfect, as you see here on this front tire. As you can see, not really perfect, the circle, and this one's even worse. Yeah, that's it. I know some other guys are just taking them off and turning them around. Yeah, that's kind of a solution you can do. I don't know. Anyways, let's see if this one rolls. Yeah, rolls quite okay. Not perfect. Oops, tailgate opened. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, watch another one of my videos. I say thanks for watching, happy hunting, have a good time, bye.